Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the fifth video of the single cylinder engine assembly series. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications related to this channel. The videos of piston head, connecting rod cover and camshaft are already uploaded in our channel. So we are going to create the fifth part of this assembly, that is crankshaft, and crankshaft is present here, this one. So go to file, click new, select part and then click OK. So from the right button, make sure your units are set in millimeters. Now select a plane. I'm gonna select right plane, click on sketch. Now first we'll make a circle. Now using smart dimensions, we'll give the dia of the circle as 45 mm. Alright, now go to features, click on extruded pose, and here we'll give the thickness of our circle as 30 mm. Okay, so from here select mid plane instead of blind. I think you are able to see the difference between blind and mid plane. So make sure you select mid plane, then click OK. Now select one of the surfaces. I'm gonna select this surface, make it normal, and then click on sketch. So here we are gonna make one more circle, and using smart dimensions, we'll set the dimension as 51 mm. Alright, now go to features, click on extruded pose, and here give it 2 mm. Alright, now we are gonna sketch our main part, that is the crank. So for that, select this surface and click on sketch. So to make a crank, we'll start with making a circle, and using smart dimensions, we'll keep the dia of this circle as 61 mm. Alright, now we'll make a center line like this. Now using smart dimensions, we'll give the length of this line as 40 mm. Okay, now I'll sketch one more circle with origin as this point. Okay, now using smart dimensions, I'll give the dia of this circle as 120. Alright, now we'll make a line from this point. Okay, we'll make a line, and we'll create one more line which is tilted or which is inclined. Okay, now using smart dimensions, we'll give this dimension, this vertical dimension, as 20. Okay, similarly we'll give this dimension also. Actually, setting that dimension is making the sketch over defined. Okay, so I think that is because of this relation. Let me try deleting this relation. Actually, I had to delete the complete line. because I was not able to give a dimension, because setting a dimension was making my sketch over defined. So that's why I deleted that line. Just select the line and you can click on delete, and I created a similar line again, and now I'll give the dimension, this distance as 20 mm. Alright, now it's ready. Now go to mirror entities and click on this vertical line and this inclined line for entities to mirror, and for mirror about, click on the center line. Okay, now we got the same thing here, this side also. Now go select trim entities and we'll trim these lines. I have select trim to closest from here. Okay, alright, now click OK. So the main sketch for our crank is ready. Now go to features, click on extruded pose, and here we'll give 20 mm. Okay, so that's how it looks. Now we are gonna sketch on front plane. So select front plane, make it normal, and then click on sketch. So here I will sketch a line first. We'll have to make some cuttings here. So for that, we'll make a vertical line like this, sorry, horizontal line like this, then a vertical line. Okay, now select 3-point arc from the arcs. 3-point arc, the first point will be this, second point will be this, and third you can keep it somewhere here like this. Alright, now using smart dimensions, we'll give this distance as 10 mm, this vertical distance to be 85, and the radius of this arc will be 1500. Okay, now exit sketch, go to features, click on extruded cut, and instead of blind, click on through all both. Okay, select through all both. So we got our crank ready. Now we'll create a fillet here. Okay, so I want a fillet at this edge. I selected the edge. After that, I'll give the radius for the fillet as 120. Okay, that's fine. Now click OK. Next we'll have to create a plane. So for that, from features, click on reference geometry and select plane. And for the first reference, we'll select the right plane, and here at the distance we'll give it 60 mm. Now click OK. Now we are gonna sketch on the new plane which we have created. So click on the plane and click on sketch. Now let me make the sketch normal. Now we are gonna create a circle. So we'll make it as at some distance from the origin. Okay. Now using smart dimensions, we'll define the distance or the offset distance as 40 mm. And this dia to be 45. Alright. Now we'll add a relation that this point and this point are vertical. Okay, now go to features, click on extruded boss, and we'll reverse the direction from here, and instead of blind we will select up to next and then click OK. So we got that part ready. Now select this plane, click on sketch, and we'll make it normal. Let me hide this plane. And here we are gonna make a circle again. Now using smart dimensions, we'll keep the dia as 30 mm. Now go to features, click on extruded boss, and we'll extrude it to 15 mm. Now again we'll select this surface, make it normal, and click on sketch. Again we are going to create a circle, and using smart dimensions we'll keep the dia as 25 and click on features, click on extruded boss, and we'll extrude it to 50 mm. Alright, so that part is done. Now we want the same thing, the crank and all these extrusions on the other side also, except this long one. So for that we'll mirror the features. So for that click on mirror from features, and in mirror face and plane we'll select the center plane, that is right plane for the sketch or 3D body. And from features to mirror we'll select all the features we want except the last one. Okay, so we want this feature to be mirrored, this one, this cut, this fillet, and the final one, this. So these are the features that we wanted to mirror. So and now click OK. See, we have got the crank ready. Now we have one more thing left, that is to make a slot here. So for that just select the surface, make it normal, and click on sketch. Now we'll just make a point. Actually this will be a reference point, and make sure it is at this point, coincident to this point. Okay, hope you are able to see where I have made a point. Okay, now go to features, click on plane from reference geometry, and for the first reference I'll select top plane, and for the second reference I'll select this sketch, this point. Okay, now you might have understood why I made this point. Alright, now we are going to sketch on this plane. So select the plane, go to sketch, click on sketch, and now I'll make this sketch normal, and from here I'll make a straight slot. Okay, alright, now we'll give the dimensions using smart dimension. This distance will be 20, and this point to this point, this distance will be 8 mm. Okay, now this radius will be 4. Alright, now go to features, click on extruded cut, and we'll make a cut of 4 mm. Yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button and let me know your suggestions in comment box. And so stay tuned for the next part designing video. Until then, take care. I'm Deepti Matthew. Thanks for watching.